The healthcare industry here in Western New York and around the state was hard hit by the COVID-19 pandemic and its lingering effects, but staffing problems actually started even before then.
Yeah, and now the state hopes to turn it around with some new programs to keep staff and bring new people on board. Here's Channel 2's Ron Plants to explain.
We're doing much more than just saying thank you for the past. We're also invested in you in the future.
Governor Kathy Hochul's philosophy boosting morale of healthcare workers across the state so affected by short staffing and other issues related to COVID, especially nurses seen on picket lines in recent years and others who just decided to retire early with pandemic stress. Currently 9,300 registered nurse job openings across the state. Also so-called travel nurse agencies drawing people away with much higher salaries for temporary out-of-state assignments. So healthcare is hurting.
Catholic Health, like every other health system, is really struggling as it relates to recruitment and proper staffing levels. And it's not just at the hospitals, it's everywhere. It's within our nursing homes, it's in our home care areas.
Catholic Health, which even held a special on-the-spot recruiting event for healthcare employees, pleased to hear about the state's plan to use $1.3 billion in state Medicaid funding to provide, through employers, retention and recruitment bonuses ranging from $500 to $3,000 for staffers deemed eligible, with a greater understanding.
Even before the pandemic, we saw signs that the need for healthcare workers back in 2018 would grow by 32% over the next few years, between then and 2028, over the next decade. So we saw that coming already.
The average age of a nurse is 50. So just think what's going to happen in the next 10 years. We're going to lose a large portion of our workforce.
And now the state's additional move, offering 1,000 scholarships for four-year nursing degrees at state universities to increase the healthcare workforce by 20% over 5 years.
There are so many people that just can't afford to pay for a 2-year or a 4-year tuition. So opening up a scholarship program, well, you can see by the people that applied how badly people would love to have that opportunity. So we were really excited to hear about the 1,000 scholarships that have been awarded.
Ron Plants, Channel 2 News.